everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. We are about to do something fabulous with a gift bag. Stay tuned. I always say it. I love crafting with you guys and I love sharing with you guys. So that is what we're going to do today. We're going to share an awesome gift bag craft. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. I really do appreciate it. Today is going to be a very quick project share. I'm not going to hold you very long. I'm going to show you something that I made using a gift bag, and I made it with a purpose because it truly is a gift for someone. But I thought I would share it with you because it'll give you some ideas on various ways that we can use beautiful gift bags. Y'all, I'm going to flip to my overhead camera so that I can give you a closer look at what it is I actually made using these gift bags. So a while back I showed you some of the table scatter that I bought at Pop Shelf. Along with that table scatter, they also had gift bags and napkins and everything. So I purchased some of the coordinating gift bags, and I purchased them because I loved this scallop top. Didn't know what I was going to do with these, but I knew that I wouldn't be using them just as gift bags. So I had a need for a gift, and I wanted the gift to be cute and unusual. So here's what I did. I took the gift bag and I deconstructed it. So I took the deconstructed gift bag and I turned it into this beautiful baby gift. Now I'm calling this a baby gift because the person that's getting this is the daughter of a very good friend of mine that I've known for a while. She's having her 4th child and chose not to have a baby shower, but I wanted to make sure that I gave her a little something. So I wanted that little something to be special. And I think that this is because it has the look and feel of a baby album, but I didn't want it to be a really large baby album. I just wanted it to be something that I could put a few tuckables in. Maybe if she wanted to, she could add a picture, whatever. She might not even want to keep this, but I thought it was a cute way for me to tuck in a few gift cards as well as a couple of small items. And I'll show you where I'm going to put those small items, but I'm going to go ahead and open this so that you can see what we have. So what I did was I created a little closure on this. And when you open it, it opens just like this. So we're able to place a picture here. I have a nice cut apart here. Then when you open the book, I have a pocket, and in the pocket I have some cut aparts, and I plan on putting a gift card in here. Then you can put a little something here. And then when we turn the page, you have another spot for a photograph, or you can write a well wish. And then we have this sweet little flip top box here. So the box is right here in the middle. And I'll just stand it up so that you can see that the top flips. And what I'm planning on putting in here, I think I might put some booties or maybe some washcloths, just something small on the inside, because the gift cards will really be my gift. And I'll put a gift card in for mom to indulge herself and a gift card in for mom to purchase something for the baby. So on this side, we have yet another pocket. And this is where I'll put another gift card, but I have these beautiful cut aparts in that pocket. And then we can stand it up like this, flip the page, and I have another spot for a photo or some well wishes, whatever you want to put here. Then I have this cute little cut apart that says, I've arrived, my name is, I weigh, I arrived on whatever date, and my parents are. Then at the back, I have a cut apart of baby footprints, and then a cut apart of a sleeping baby. Y'all, I absolutely love how this turned out. Now, it didn't take much in terms of supplies because we're starting with the gift bag, and then we modify the gift bag to actually fit what it is we want to put on the inside. So this is not your standard baby album. It is a take on a baby album, but it is a very unique way of giving a gift to a new mom. So if you go to a baby shower and you take something like this, it already looks like the gift bags that are going to be placed on the gift table. But it's a little bit more than that because it is a nice little gift that holds gift cards as well as small gifts. So I am just going to close this, and I have a piece of Velcro here on the front, Velcro there, and then we close. And then one thing that I noticed that I missed is I should have covered the back of this chipboard piece with some coordinating paper just to cuten it up a little bit. So I'm going to go back and do that. But I wanted to do a project share on this with you guys so that I can show you how we can take regular items and modify or tweak them and turn them into something just a little bit more than they were before. Because y'all, I think that this whole concept is stinking cute. And I think that you will too. So I'm not doing a tutorial on this, but if I do get 1,000 likes on this video, then I'll do a tutorial. And one of the reasons why I'm asking to get 1,000 likes, because anytime I do scrapbook-like projects, they don't do very well on the channel. So I put a lot of time into making the video and editing the video, and then the scrapbook projects just don't hold the interest of those of you watching my videos. So if I get 1,000 likes, that means that there are some people out there who would be interested in seeing this process. So I hope that you have enjoyed this project share. If you have, hit the like button so that I will know that you want to see a video like this. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.